evening, everyone. The highlights of the news this Thursday. Traffic accidents. A Beaver County man is being held for murder. And more labor.
Yo guys, how's it going? Go PT Money. Today we're gonna be in Glass and Chai. We're gonna be do some organizing and a bunch of preparation for these actually this summer. Yeah, this summer and spring. It's gonna be like for kayak fishing, you know, all kind of stuff like that. I really want to get into kayak fishing tournament, and I think there's one coming up in April 29 in somewhere like 2.5 hours from where I live. So it's gonna be towards like Pulaski, like where I go salmon fishing. So what I did today was so I went to Harbor Freight and I bought this 8-inch backboard hook right here. So we're gonna be putting that on that little spot right there, which it's gonna be pretty much soon. It's gonna be packed, hopefully. And I got a bunch of lure somewhere back there. I just put that little shelves up. That's what I was working on a couple nights ago. So that's where I put all my lure and stuff like that. So I try to organize a bunch of stuff in here, and I don't have much time today because I'm gonna get up in the morning and go for a run with the and yes, I got back into spun race, so hopefully, you know, I have a bunch of free time, hopefully. And yeah, oh, look what I got. This is actually a deer here, fresh deer here. Not fresh, but wow, to be honest, I want to use that as a bucktail jig, but I did not cure the deer tail, so I don't know I'll be able to use it. I got that one from my coworker. He went deer hunting last season and he got it and he gave it to me, which is really nice. I could just bought them from eBay for like $4 for a tail. I think that's how much it costs for them to dye it. And yeah, let's get started because I've been talking too much and people doesn't like it. And yes, I'm gonna switch this into GoPro.
Accidents here in the district. One of them near Pennsylvania. In that crash, 20-year-old Michael Butler driving home from work.
So I pretty much just finished with the lure right here. Yeah, I'll give you guys a show. So that's what I came up with right there. I got the hook and stuff like that. The lie, you know, a bunch of trout, all smallie, fan fish, stuff like that is down there because it's not worth it. Just hang them up. And this is just organized by type, single, you know, firm, stuff like that. This is the I used to have a Z-Man Zeta-bait. I think that's what it's called. I'm not exactly sure. I use that for a trailer. I caught a lot of fish with that. It's really good. This color, that's why I got 2 of them. But I lost all of my shadow bait, so I have to get that one up, and a bunch of fork and swim creature and stuff like that. And I love this actually. I got this one. It's this panel box, I think. It's watertight, it's supposed to be. So it's pretty fit, you know. I try to organize best as I could. I got some jigs here, Troubles hook, which is wake. I think I have too much wake there. I use it for salmon and stuff. I don't really need it to be in there. Bopper, stopper, you know, a bunch of line hook. I want to keep it dry and clean. So far I've been pretty good with it, you know. I clean it and I just put them all in here, let it dry out. Tube, you know, I'm gonna get more tube because I've been using a lot of tube over the past year for walleye and smallmouth. And there's a trout bait and stuff like that. That's an own broken one. This is my favorite one right there. I caught. This is the one that the gentleman gave to me by the. Hold on, come on, focus. So this one is actually some old man gave it to me by the river. It's caught fish like a boss. It literally caught fish so good. That one's really good. I need more of that one actually. And this is just my high crankbait that I Whopper Fopper is the best so far whole year long. Spinning, I mean blade, you know, spoon, so with that for sure. Bucktail that I tie. Alright, that's pretty much it actually. My camera is dying. I captured someone with a GoPro, so hopefully, you know, everything's go fine. And yeah, I'm actually really excited. I'm going to enter a kayak fishing season this year. I'm gonna try it out first, and hopefully I can continue to keep going. And I got next update. Actually, I got updates coming up actually for my kayak. So I'm gonna make, you know how you have like boondock landing gear. I'll put some picture below somewhere. I don't know. So pretty much what it is, I'm trying to make something similar to it, but a lot cheaper, you know. Because I was just build my own, so I can actually be proud of it and just buying it, you know. It might work, it's not the best quality, but you will see. It's a video coming up, so hopefully I can get that going as well. So I'm gonna be jamming a lot of video, so hope you guys don't mind, you know. And I like the reason I want to make more video this year is that I keep going back and watch my own video. I kind of get the feeling again. I was like, oh man, I should make more video. So yeah, all right, I'll see you guys later.
Accident here in the distance. One of them near Pennsylvania.